you are still finding value from this copywriting master course for beginners. In this training, I'll be showing you how to use the ZeroGPT. This is another AI that you can use to write your content, get essays, check your essays, check for AI, humanize your content, and if you want to check for grammars, it also have a Grammarly AI checker there. Okay, you can also check for plagiarism with this AI. Don't do, as I always use the Chrome browser for some of the AIs. Why I use the Chrome browser is that if you use the app, some might hide the features in the app that it will enable you to use the free version. Okay, because most of these apps are paid app. So if you try the app out and it doesn't work out, ensure to use this Chrome tutorial. Okay, it's like a desktop tutorial. That way you get many features. So I'll also show you how to test your content on various AI. So watch the scenario and let's dive in, guys. For Chrome browser, okay. So once it has come up, type ZeroGPT. You see the link. I always leave the link of every AI I've used in the description of the video so that it will be easy for you. Ensure to click on any of them. So this is the ZeroGPT. Okay, so I'll go ahead and just make it to be on the desktop mode. Don't forget, we are using this Chrome site so that we'll get some features. It also have this GTP also have its mobile app. You can go ahead and download it from the Play Store and try it out. Okay, I'm waiving every premium part, so that's why I'm using this AI on the Chrome browser. So go ahead and register if you are new. The registration is pretty simple, just like ChatGPT. So I'm going to sign in with one of my Gmail. I want to make this tutorial fast and sharp. I'll show you how to test AIs, how to test for plagiarism. So let's use one of the email. Okay, so we have signed in. So these are what you can do with the 0 year, the zero plan. That's for free plan. Can you see? And you can upgrade. So I won't be going in depth. You can go ahead and check all that. Now I want to go back to my doc, Google Doc. We'll be using Google Doc here. So there are some contents that we created. So let's say we got this content from ChatGPT. Okay, we got this content. So this tutorial is just for showing you for sample sake. I'm also going to show you how to write an SEO article and an ad copy in this same course. Those ones are subsequent videos. So let's say we want to copy from here. Let's assume that we just wrote this article from ChatGPT fresh, okay, or from whichever AI you have used to generate your content. Copy it. You can use ChatGPT to write. You can use Cloud to write. You can also use DeepSeek AI to write. You can also use StiltWriter, but most of these other AIs to write content, you need to subscribe to the premium version. Okay, I'll show us another AI that we can use to get content. So let's say we've copied this. Ensure you copied it, okay? Then go to this particular AI. Now I want to check for plagiarism, or we either want to change our text to human. Okay, so these are the basic things that we can do here for free. All you need to do is click on this icon that is showing brain at the top left. Once you tap on it, it will bring you here where you can see what you can do for free. Grammar checker, AI grammar checker, AI rephraser, and so on. I already taught you how to use Coolboat. You can also rephrase here too. So let's say we want to check this first one, this AI GTP detector. It simply means to check your content if it is AI free or not. And you can also humanize. Okay, then you now go to check for plagiarism too. So let's say we want to paste the text here. Once you paste it, this AI also have the option of word count. It will show you how many texts. Can you see word? 85 words. Okay, let's say we want to check for AI. Let's check for AI first. Or you can either humanize it and check for AI. These AIs are not 100% no matter how it is, even if you have the premium one. So that's why we test different one. But so far, I believe Grammarly is one of the best. So if you check for AI, this is what it's going to bring you to give you. It said check classification. AI detectors might still flag your text with basic public model. 100% AI possibility, zero confidence. This means that there is AI in this our word. our text, it's supposed to be showing green somewhere. And based on as we are using the free plan, it might not want to open everything for the AI version. So now let's go ahead and humanize it. This is the second option. So humanizing simply means a part of rephrasing it, but it will now change all the content. If you go ahead and check it. This one is starting with AI is transforming graphic design but isn't replacing creative professionals. Then the one that was humanized says graphic design is changing because of intelligence, but it is not taking the place of creative people who do graphic. Can you see now? It's different. They are different. So basically this AI has helped us change it. What you can do from here is go to your doc again, go to your Google Doc. Let's say we want to paste this one somewhere else again in our Google Doc. Follow the tutorial, guys, and believe me, you will not be lost. Okay, so let's just click on that pencil icon so you'll be able to edit. Then add space. Let's just divide this. Then come down, paste this one. So I want you to do like this so that you see the difference. This is where we started from. AI is transformed from the final thought. So let's say this one self is final thought so that we know what we are doing. Final thoughts. Okay, so basically this and this will not be the same again. The AI has changed everything. So we'll be working with this second one that we rephrased. We'll be coming back there. So go back to the ZeroGPT again. Now we want to check for plagiarism this time. I discovered that the first email we used to sign in, we cannot create any content again. The free plan has been exhausted. So you can use another email, sign up and sign in. Click on that brain icon at the top left. Okay, then we have used this AI to GTP. We have also used AI human. Okay, so we want to use this plagiarism checker now. Okay, ensure you have that text that you grabbed. Okay, then paste it somewhere here. So ensure you are clicked on this part where it's showing grammar checker. Then go ahead and paste in the text here. Okay, paste the text. Once you paste it, you can show it's showing only 300 because we are on the free plan. Click on the text. You see your result below. Whatever the result is, you will know if there is AI, if there is plagiarism. Okay, it will show us the results. Can you see? It's still suggesting for us. And you see 0. It's showing us that there is no plagiarism currently. So what we want to do now is this same let's call it an article. We still have it, so we don't need to copy it. To compare it, just go back to another AI again from here. Let's say we want to use the stilt writer, for instance. So come to the stilt writer AI. Then you can go to that humanise. Let's say we want to rephrasing it for you or detect for an AI content there. So this is another way of testing it. Okay, currently this stilt writer scan for AI. This stilt writer, if you want to check for plagiarism too, you have to subscribe to the pro plan. And you see now that this one is showing us that there are AI here. You see, it said there is 43% human. Your test scan 43% human. So all these parts we need to rewrite it. Just click on it. And you can also use ChatGPT to rewrite it. Then after you've detected the AI there, those are the AIs that is showing. Then the red part is the AI. Then the green part is the human. Okay, so click on Humaniser this time, the topper option. Paste it again. Then humanize it this time. Remember, we came to the stilt writer, we detected AI. Then we are now humanizing again. So now it has humanized it for us. Now can you see it's 100% human now. If you go ahead and check the topper one from the below one, you see that there is difference. I would like you to copy the topper one and the below one and put it in your notepad and check the differences. From here you can see, look at the last two lines. The topper part is saying, will artificial intelligence replace designers, or will it just be a tool that all graphic designers use? Then this one is saying, will AI take the place of designers, or it is a thing all graphic designers use? Can you see the difference? Different phrases but the same meaning. So guys, don't do. Once you are done, this other one now, we now copy it. So we are working with that second part now that we just copied. Go back to ZeroGPT again. Then you can now go to grammar checker on ZeroGPT. Okay, so I don't want this training to be too long. Go to grammar checker quick and check the grammar. Okay, click on grammar checker, then allow it to come up. Remember, we signed in with another new email. In case you are working and you are not able to count any word or check anything again, sign in with another email quickly. Okay, so highlight this. Let's say we want to remove all this. Highlight. Okay, so paste the new one that we just got from Copywriter. Then check. Let's say we want to check for it. Check for grammar. Okay, can you see the grammar checker? So what this grammar checker does is basically showing us the grammar. This one, let me just call it, is asking us to rephrase results. You can go ahead and rephrasing it. This is just Grammarly in a smaller form inside ZeroGPT. We already have Grammarly, so these are the steps you need to take. Once you have successfully taken all these steps, you can now go to Grammarly. And you see, it has helped us rephrasing everything. If you go ahead and copy it, you see that it's different from the new one that we brought in. So we'll now copy this one now. Okay, select all, select all, copy it. Let's just copy it. Rephrasing text. It's asking us to rephrasing text, although we have originally rephrased it. Okay, can you see? Paraphrase text, evolved due to intelligence. So all this blue, red, and this thing, it has meaning. Once you come down, you see the meaning. Change words, structural changes, longest unchanged words. Can you see? So make it human. We've already humanized it. So you can either copy this one, or you copy the second one that is on that Copywriter, the second one that we copied, that we brought here to rephrase. So once you are done, the last place you are going to is your doc, your Google Doc, okay, or your Google Sheets, anyone that you use. Go back there. So once you are here, scroll up. Okay, so allow that pencil icon come up, tap on it so that you'll be able to edit. Now come down. So you might want to use that X to demarcate your work. Okay, then come down and paste. The reason why I'm putting everything here is so that you'll be able to compare it. Paste. Okay, so you'll be able to compare it, the two, this final thought and this second one. And you see, so go ahead and read the two. This last part is tell me what you think below and let us talk about it. This one is saying intelligence below, and let us have a nice conversation about it. Can you see everything has changed? So finally, I'm going to use Grammarly. This is where Grammarly comes in. After you use like 3 or 2 or 4 different AI to check, humanize, check for paraphrasing here and there, here and there, the final place you come to in your doc, and ensure you use your doc for a professional work. Okay, then you come here, ensure your Grammarly app is turned on, so you can now rephrasing it or check for meaning. So all you need to do is highlight everything. This Grammarly now is changing the grammar, is checking for AI, checking for plagiarism and every other thing that will make your article, hard copy, or anything that you are trying to promote not rank on Google or on the social media. So you can either, there are various options. Let's start with that improving it. Okay, don't forget this is ZeroGPT AI, but as we gradually progress, I'll also be showing us how to use other AI. So you can either copy or insert it at once. Then you see the highlight, just click on this one that has been copied. Then once it is done, go ahead and read your work carefully. Read your work carefully, okay? So let's say it's from here. Ensure to divide your work, add spacing, okay? So let's say we want to segregate with that X sign. So when you are presenting your hard copy, ensure to after 3 lines, okay, add space. 3 or 4 lines, add space, okay? So you can go ahead and read it. Read everything and compare. Graphic design is evolving. Why Grammarly is showing up is asking us to rephrase other parts, of which is only this below part that we are working on, okay? So we don't want to rephrase any other part. So after you are done, if you were writing an hard copy, ensure you put your call to action. This is what will trigger them to take action, either to purchase or to subscribe, or you want them to either take any action or purchase or sales, anything your objective are. You put it there and tell them that's your clear call to action, CTA, what you want them to do. So guys, I believe this tutorial has brought value to you. Don't watch the video all over again if you missed out in any part, and the community is there if you are lost. Simply drop a question. Don't DM me directly because I might not be available. Drop it in the comment section. There are various groups and various students, okay, that want to learn. Any question I answer from anybody, it will answer so many people's questions. That's why I always suggest you drop your questions and thoughts in the community. Don't guys, and stay peace.